guys, how's it going? Hasn't been going great for me though, but I hope that everything's going great for you. So today I'm going to do a base tutorial. I haven't really done like an updated base routine in like quite a minute right now, so I'm just gonna have a chatty little get ready with me, maybe to cheer myself up a little bit, I don't know. We're gonna start off with primer. This is the Easy Blur primer. This isn't the best primer in my opinion. I do sometimes feel like it doesn't really like give me so much lasting power like my Danessa Myricks one, but since I'm only going out for like a couple of hours, this one will do. Plus, I'm also trying to like save money and not buy a lot of makeup, so even products I'm not like 100% crazy on, I am gonna find a way to repurpose them and showcase them in videos and just be honest about it. Like, if you're someone that wears makeup for a limited amount of time, really like if you're going on or whatnot, this is a great primer. But if you're someone like me that tends to wear makeup from like the morning to night, like especially for work, the Danessa Myricks one, 10 out of 10. I let that primer sitting there for like a minute or two, and I'm gonna go in with my trusty dusty peach corrector from LA Girl. I do want to try the GRWM one because I hear like amazing things about it. I'm just gonna put it on my dark spots. Anywhere really where I have hyperpigmentation is on an even skin tone. So I'm getting back to using beauty blenders. This is not from the Beauty Blender brand. This is actually from Beauty Bakery. They sent me like 6, and I love these sponges. So I'm gonna go in and just tap that in, just because it doesn't soak up a lot of product. As you can see, it's like an amazing beauty blender, and it just gives me this very nice natural finish. Even though I'm not really going for natural, you know what I'm saying? Like, it isn't cakey. It just flawlessly blends into my skin. I have my Photofocus one from Wet n Wild. This is an amazing foundation though. Found a drugstore one that's like under $10. It really gets the job done. But yeah, I kind of like try to spread that out evenly as possible. Makes the blending process much easier. For contouring, I'm using this Makeup by Mara contour stick. This has been absolutely one of my favorite contour sticks of all time. This is one of like the most perfect neutral colors to really just bring shape into your face. So I do tend to use a lot of this. It's a very easy product to manipulate just because of how emollient it is. And I do a pretty intense contour on my nose, I really wanted to. For me with makeup, I always blend under my lip and under my chin with a brush. I would say that this blender from Beauty Bakery, it's just so nice. And I'm pretty sure it's not, like, I'm gonna look for the price for it and put it in the description, but I'm pretty sure it's not even that pricey. I'm gonna take this Chic Glam bronzer, and I'm just gonna put it on the higher points here, just because I want a little bit of bronziness today. I only keep it like on my cheeks. I don't know. You can put on here, but sometimes I feel like I put too much on my forehead, it looks too small. Like I said, this is totally just a step that you can skip. You can just go straight into blush. Now for blush, I'm gonna use this Danessa Myricks one. I find this one to be so freaking pretty. This is very pigmented, but I love that blush. I'll put that right here. A little bit of blush right here. I'm gonna do a little bit of a blush combo just to show you how I can elevate this blush a little. Because my eyes are not like a hot pink, I kind of want to tone down the hot pinkness of it. This is the Chic Glam Petal Talk blush, and I'm gonna put that over here because it's like a nice little like baby pink moment. Okay, and look how beautiful that blush is. So it definitely, this combo tones down the hot pinkness of it and just gives this very beautiful baby pink blush. I'm doing like a pink blush moment. I love to go with super bright under eyes. So this is the L'Oreal 24 Infallible Concealer. I've had this for a hot minute. I think I've had this for like 2 years. It's almost like expired. But it's so freaking good, and I am gonna buy a new one because it's like, it's not dirt cheap. It's $12, but compared to a lot of other concealers on the market, pretty good. And I love how big this doe foot is. Now this is a very fit formula, so I'm not gonna go all the way down here, but I do love a lot of concealer. So. Just because when I photograph my skin, I just like to make sure like this part's highlighted. I don't really care about here because I don't see the skin on my face. You don't have to. You could let that sit in your skin for a little while because it's so brightening. I really don't. And also I don't have the patience. And of course under the eyes. And I really do centralize the concealer more so here because I don't want the concealer to mess up my blush. Okay, so for under the eyes, because my skin's been a little bit more dry these days, I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom Cake powder, just because it's also like a lighter pink powder. I do love to use my one size one all the time, but since that one's more of like a richer pink, I just didn't want it to be too pink. And this is the powder with the scent. I do not like the one without the scent. It never was an issue for me, but then again, I understand. It might irritate some people's skin. So for highlighter, what I'm gonna do is I just like to take my finger. This is the over highlighter in the color Blissful. I don't even know if this is available anymore. It's a pretty old highlighter. And I literally just put that straight on my nose. Telling you girlies, if you want your nose to look smaller, just make sure that your highlighter, okay, so like on my bridge of my nose, I just make sure to put it on the middle, not the whole thing, because you know, I'm trying to fake a nose job. But yeah, this is like the perfect highlighter to do so. I've had this since 2017, and we just not hit that. Okay, so for my blush topper, this isn't my favorite blush. I bought this and then forgot to return it. Not that this is a bad blush, but I just don't think it's a special blush. I feel like I have cheaper blushes that are powdered that perform better than this. I don't know. I'm not wowed by it at all. But this is the Huda Beauty blush filter palette. I was so excited to get this. Like, I was so excited. And then when I put it on, I was like, did I need to spend like over $40-something for this? Honestly, I have a Glam blush palette that was like $6 and it performs better than this. So, do the math. But yeah, I'm going to go in with the shade Papaya Pop. And mix that in with a little bit of Pink Fizz. Put the mirror here just to bring them cheeks out. I'm not gonna go too crazy. Oh, as I said, I'm not gonna go too crazy. This is what I do. I'm gonna go with the other side of that brush and you know, the staple in. I don't know. I was such a fan of Huda Beauty, and then after she started doing like clean girl stuff, like you know, the packaging changed. I feel like her products are just not as like glam girl products. I don't know how to describe it to you. I'm just not that impressed, as you can see. The product I do absolutely love from Huda Beauty is the GloWish bronzer in the tan. Now, I'm not sure if she sells these still. I'm so out of the loop with buying bronzers and blushes and stuff because I've been trying to like use out what I have. But it just goes on the skin. It makes it look so beautiful. It looks so good. I'm gonna do my lip combo and then come right back. Okay guys, I got like all dolled up and I forgot to do this. So hold your hair back, ladies. Okay guys, this is the final look. Makeup look makes me happy. I haven't been really happy today. Been quite depressed and sad. But I hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see you next time.